You know what? I love it when manufacturers put a kit together for me so that all I have to do is just show up, buy the kit, it's got everything in it, and I can get right to work. Now, Rustoleum has come out with this tile transformations kit, and this is perfect if you've got outdated or worn out looking tile, or you just want to transform the look of your bathroom, because this is a coating that will make your old tile look like a natural stone finish. Now, like I said, everything comes in the box. You've got step one here. And this is the textured coating. Now you mix these two together and then you roll this on. And after 8 hours or overnight, you come back, you mix up step number 2, part A and B, mix that together and you roll that on as well, and you're ready to go. Now it'll be ready for you to use that surface in the shower or the tub in 24 hours. There's no peeling, there's no sanding of the surface. Now you do need to prep the surface though, make sure it's good and clean and free of mold or mildew before you get started. And take a look at all the color choices that you have to help you transform the look of your bathroom. I can't wait to get this home.